Tuskegee, I don't know how to pronounce it. Tecumseh, Michigan. I'm here doing a job. It's about an hour, 20 something minutes. It's nice. So yeah, I'm just about to get back to work. 1:30. At 1:30. It's nice down here. I went for a walk. Sorry I didn't record anything. It's just kind of in work mode right now. So, alright, I just left Ace's Hardware, this building right here. And I just need to, can I? Just that area. Yeah, I just worked there. This is Tecumseh, Michigan, it is really nice here. I started going to this restaurant right here. I think it was that. No, I think it was this place. Screw, I don't know which one it was, but it is a nice town out here. It really is. So I pretty much just did some merchandising. I worked for like 8 hours. Got the job from Gig Smart. It's just the like a one. Well, you get gigs all the time, but for this particular gig, chances of coming back to it, maybe. But I'll probably end up with something else. Look at that place. Wow. Yeah, I need to put this down so I don't get pulled over, but plus I need to, oh, okay, they telling me to make a left right here. So I'm just gonna end it right here so I can get back, because I got an hour and 20 something minutes. But that was a town anyway, so alright, thanks for watching. Alright, next day, headed back again. Got an hour and 15 minutes to get there. So I didn't expect I was gonna be able to go back there the next day, so it's a lot brighter now. I thought I was originally going up north, but this is actually below Detroit. Didn't even realize. That's crazy, right? We got some big houses. Just wait till we get closer. Got a lot of farmland out here. Here it is right here. It's the town right here. Not as exciting on a rainy day, but that's City Hall. You got, that's that church I saw the other day. Check out this bank. It's just like an old bank right here. Wow. It's the tavern. This is the downtown area. Yeah, it was distressed. No, it wasn't that one. It was, I'll show you the one I attempted to go to and I didn't. This building right here. That one. And this is where I'm working. Right here was Ace Hardware. Alright. Time to get to work. Alright, I just got off. Ready to take off here.
keep walking through all the darkness on the left. It's on the reckless feeling, but still, right now something's gotta change before tomorrow brings a day the clock says is real. It's a wrong, the songs are right for the brave that wanna fight. Before tomorrow, prepare for the day.
Alright, that's better. Subway, not even 2 minutes from the job. Yeah, that's where I'm getting ready to go. Here it is. I'm gonna park right back here. That's where I'm gonna eat my Subway too. Nose just running a little bit, but yeah, I decided to come out here because I can't work on the car until I get the parts. I had to order parts off eBay, which was two bearings for the front, the sprocket, and that would have cost me, if I went to the auto parts store, it would have cost me almost $200 a piece. So I got it on eBay for all together for about like 60 bucks. So I'm just waiting for those parts. They won't be here till about the 11th, between the 11th and the 14th. So I took the van up here. I already knew the van wasn't gonna let me down, so still gotta make it back. So it's not doing too bad. $30, and so far I'm still right there. So I might be able to make it hour and 24 minutes off of $30. But I think I'm probably gonna have to put an extra 10 in. This job is $150 something. They take like some kind of like a deposit or something for like security, like a security deposit or something. So I end up with like probably like 140. So I'll still be getting $100 profit. Alright, I'm going to go to Subway. Dang, it's nice out here. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this town. I thought that was gonna be a sunny angle. Yeah. It's nice out here. So, it's giving me an hour for lunch. Yeah, I'm on lunch break right now. Go get a Subway. Oh, I need my wallet. Dang, this place is too freaking nice. First day. It's supposed to be first nice day since the 2026 winter storm. It's supposed to be like 70 degrees today. It's a CVS. You don't see those anymore. And I don't even know if it's open. Yeah, it's open. So, you got a Burger King over there, but I'm starting to eat healthy. That's all I'm going to be getting is don't get me wrong, every once in a while I'll probably get something else, but this is healthy stuff. Well, hopefully. Well, it's healthier than Burger King, right? Anyway, yep. Made it all the way up here. So, yep, sure did. Alright, we gotta unlock the fan. Yeah, this is what I got. The only thing I didn't like about it, I didn't know, I got like a special. It was just, it was the day of the, something of the day special. I didn't know they were gonna put, I don't know what they call those things, meatballs, like 3 meatballs. And I got some cookies. I had a choice to get chips or cookies, so I got cookies. Yeah, this might not be healthy, but some chocolate chips. And you know, forgot some napkins. I'm gonna have to go back in, go get some napkins real quick. It's good. It looks pretty good. I don't usually eat in front of the camera, but I'll let you guys know how this tastes. See my freaking expression. And we'll try this together, I guess. That's honestly not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna finish this and we'll see what else I can see before I gotta get back to work. Alright, so this is where I am. I'm working at Ace Hardware. Connected to this whole part. Looks like all these buildings are connected. Alright, thanks for watching. This might be a short video. Peace out, stay cool. I gotta get back in. So, alright, peace. Actually, I got 10 more minutes. We got City Diner out here. I wanted to show you this house. Check this house out right here. Jeez. I like that one too. Got that mural. That's too sharp. Check this house. That is sharp. I really like that one right there. But I'm getting ready to take off. So thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Stay tuned for the next one. I guess we'll see where I'm going next to work. Alright. I give you one more drive through downtown. And then I gotta get on the highway here. Back in one piece. So out of $30, that's how much I got left after an hour 24-minute drive there and back. So that's actually not too bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and put about I'm gonna put like 6 in it. I'm at the gas station. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Stay cool. Stay tuned for what's next. I don't think I'm probably going to take it back out there. Hopefully I get the parts fast enough for the car so I can just get back on that and do what I got to do. But I guess this might end up being a long video. So hope you enjoyed it. So take care.